Just about come through Barnby Crossing will be your
I don't know, I can't tell what it is.
It's a Hust, I think.
Okay, 109 King's Cross, Newcastle.
This will be the King's Cross Newcastle train.
I say it weird because I've been watching a load of Bristol announcements recently.
Hang on, that's a shed.
Okay, it's 6 Papa 48 from Felixstowe to Leeds.
Oh, I just passed a big
It's
shed like that.
Felixstowe,
If that's got two engines on it, that's the one I passed.
That is a shed.
Sheddage.
I passed it.
Hey! Wait,
It's a new one.
Is that by itself? It is a new one as well.
No, it's not.
No, it's got an intermodal.
It's sheddage time. Here comes the Freightliner Powerhaul livery. 66 416 and 66 571.
Felix Leeds. And off they go.
66 416 and 66 571 to Leeds.
Thanks for watching the next video.